What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing new headlights in the Silverado. My headlights went out to that one I believe is the one that went out, and they're just factory halogen. I mean, not factory, but you know, they're just regular halogen. I went to get some LEDs because I'm not much of an HID guy. I'm actually going to be doing a swap from HID to LEDs on the Ultima. Might do a video on that hopefully soon, but that's going to be happening, so keep an eye out for that. But I'm going to be putting in, I just got the low beams. I haven't gotten the high beams yet because I don't really have the money to get all that together. But I'm going to be doing the low beams, high beams, and the fog lights. All LED, all the front, getting that done. But on my hunt for some LEDs, I found these ones. They're from Light Moses. Not really sure about the brand. I saw some reviews and they were pretty good. They're about 60 bucks for the pair, so I mean they're pretty cheap. I haven't opened these up yet, but I guess I'm gonna. So I'm guessing these are maybe the ballasts, I'm assuming. And then these are the headlights. That one-handed. So I got these ones specifically because they're these 360 bulbs, and now if you get the flat tips, you've got to, there's a certain way you got to put it in there, but these you should put them in there whatever which way, and that's how they go. And from the reviews that I've read, they're really good. All the reviews said they were just, I mean, good. So I figured I'd buy them, try them out. If they're good, I'll end up getting the high beams and the fog lights. The fog lights is actually the same bulb as the high beams because that's a little conversion type thing. I believe it takes the same bulb. But I mean, for 60 bucks, those kind of reviews, everything like that, it's kind of worth it to me to take a gamble, even if they only last a couple months or so. It was just 60 bucks. So I'm not gonna install these just yet. I'm gonna wait till it gets dark and then show you guys the comparison between the factory light, that's not the factory, but the halogen light that's in there, and the LED that I'm gonna put in the side that's out. I'm gonna wait, and the next time you see me, it's gonna be dark outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that light in. Alright guys, so as you can see, here we are. It is fairly dark out now, and this is the kind of light I'm getting now. Most of this white is actually from my turn signal lights. Like, if you've seen my previous video, I did the DRL delete, so it's all turn signals. And obviously, as you can see, that light is out. My brights still work, and one of my fog lights is out, but I'll handle that. So I'm gonna put the LED in that one and see what kind of light output we get with just an LED in there and the halogen in that one. Alright, so I went ahead and got the headlight out. I'm sure you guys don't want to see me take that out for the 100th time on this channel, so I just went and took it out and put the headlight in. That's it. It comes with a zip tie. I just kind of zip tied the plug to that so the plug doesn't come up, and it's pretty secured. So I mean, that's basically it. I'll actually show you how to connect this ballast because it's actually kind of cool. So before I put the other one in, I'll show you how to connect that one. But so that's in. I'm gonna shove that back up, and then the next one will be me comparing these two lights. I'm inside the truck right now. I got a little rushed because it started raining and starting all that good stuff, but I got it in. If you know anything about these Silverados, I did have to modify my housings. Now with some LEDs you don't, but with these ones you're gonna have to. I got that taken care of. Now it's time to turn them on and see what they look like. That's just my turn signal lights, and that's the LED. So let's get out here. Oh yeah. You can just tell how much brighter that is. And as you can see, it's raining, so excuse that, but I'll have to adjust them. They're sitting up a little high. If you notice that beams in the trees, I don't want to be blinding people when I'm passing them, so I will have to adjust that back down, but that's no issue. Here we are the next day. I didn't get to do both of them last night because it started really pouring down. I really wanted to get both of them in and on last night, but I didn't. It'll give me a chance to show you guys exactly how I had to put this in and how to put together the headlight with the ballast and everything. So if you have a cat eye and you've been looking for LEDs, if you've already put them in your truck, you know for the most part you have to modify your headlight housing, which is what I've kind of done here. You got to cut that hole out, and I just used a big drill bit, but if you have like a hole cutter, that'd probably make it look a lot better and cleaner. And if you have your brights, I'm pretty sure you have to cut into this one too, but I don't have those yet, so I'm not gonna worry about it right now. But I cut that one. I've already got that one in and installed over there, as you guys saw last night. That's basically it. They do make LEDs you can put in here that fit, but you got to make sure they fit, and then half the time they really don't fit, even though they say they fit, and it's just a headache. You might as well do it. That way you can run any LED in here and they'll all fit up just fine. I actually didn't even notice this. It comes with a little key ring. That was pretty cool, I thought. And then you've got your headlight here. I showed you that. It's got the 360. And then I actually like how this clips up. I really want to show you how that goes. So let me set you up here. All right, so you've got your ballast here, and then your plug to your headlight. So what they'll do is you've got a little notch up in there. I don't know if you can see that little notch. And then you've got a little notch in there. So just line those up, push it in, and then after it's pushed in, you take this and screw it into the headlight plug, and it completely seals that. So that's not going to come undone anymore. I just thought that was really cool, kind of show you guys. And then obviously that just plugs right into your factory headlight. I'm going to get to putting this in, and the next shot should be tonight when I can show you with both of them on. So let's get to it. As promised, it is the next night. I just got out of the shower, so my hair's a little wild, but I'm going to show you guys what the headlights look like all on. It's all in. Here, I'll show you guys that real quick before I end this video. Headlights are off. Those are my blinker lights, headlights. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to do some adjustments. They look a little high. I don't want to be blinding everybody, but there they are. Real happy with them. They're way brighter than the halogen ones I had in there. So really at this point, it's just, let's see how long they last. Hope they last for a while. If they're good, I'll end up replacing my brights and my fog lights with them. We'll see. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Just wanted to show you that, getting them in. Kinda, if you have a cat eye, what you gotta do to put a lot of these in, most of them. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, as always, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.